What's going on, fam? It is a beautiful day. It is Black Friday. I have taken full advantage of a sale on Fuel Moto, so more to come on that. I clearly have y'all on a different mount today. I thought I would open today's video with doing a little about me, so let's get into it. Bam, bam. First of all, my name's Jason. I am 30 years old, and I did most of my growing up in Texas. And shortly after graduating, I joined the military. I joined the Air Force at 18 years old, and I've been in since. So I've been in for a little over 12 years now. I've gotten to go to many different places and see a lot of different things. Been all over the world. It's been an awesome time. At like 7 years old, I knew that I was going to be joining the military. I just didn't know what branch I was going to join. I had flown a couple times. I thought flying was cool. So I went in and talked to an Air Force recruiter. Tell me down in the comments below how you like this view. Would you prefer this view, my helmet cam? Would you prefer, facing forward the whole time and just listening to me talk? I have no real destination in mind today. Literally just out riding. Enjoy the sun, enjoy the beautiful weather. It's only like 65 degrees, maybe 70 degrees right now. I'm currently an instructor, and I really enjoy this instructor gig. I've always enjoyed trying to teach people things about my job, and getting the chance to do that has been awesome. Okay. Hello. We're actually over here by Thunder Tower Harley-Davidson in Columbia, South Carolina. Oh, I hit my pipe. It's hot. Yeah. Shell V-Power Nitro. I think one of the big reasons I'm into fitness is because when I was young, I viewed the military as being the fittest of the fit, the strongest of the strong, all of those things. And I think that having that view on the military instilled not just a strong work ethic, but a love for fitness in me, because I truly believed that I needed to be extremely fit to do well in the military. Oh yeah. Ooh, it's a pretty sexy road glide. I wonder if what? Are they even open? I have to have a freaking mask to go into this Harley-Davidson dealership, and I don't. So I'm just not gonna go to it. I just got into motorcycles 2 years ago. Actually, April will be 3 years. Since I got into motorcycles. I always knew that I wanted a motorcycle, but I just kept talking myself out of it. I went to, actually where I just was, Thunder Tower Harley-Davidson. I took the motorcycle safety course. And it was funny because, when I first went to the motorcycle safety course, I was like, I don't know how I'm going to feel about this. We'll see what happens. Day 2, we get out there, and I'm telling you right now, whenever the bike, even though it was a little, street 500, oh, hello, trash. Even though it was a little street 500, I sat on that thing, and when it started, I just knew that I was never going back. I just knew that motorcycling was going to be a part of my life until I can't ride motorcycles anymore. It's always nice to stop, get a little snack. I usually get a monster, a little candy bar, and a protein bar. Trying to put some extra miles on the bike so I can get my 10K service done. But let me know how you like this new, or this different setup, rather. On my way over to Blackjack Harley-Davidson now. We're having some sales today. Yeah, Blackjack Harley-Davidson. Oh. What's going on, Bam Fam? It is a couple days later from when I filmed my riding video. Unfortunately, my GoPro was having some technical difficulties. It was recording, but it wasn't, and the color was all messed up, and the audio was messed up. It was, you can tell we were having some issues with the audio. At any rate, it's a couple days later, just about finished editing the video. I just wanted to pop in, tell you guys that I appreciate y'all for watching. I hope y'all had a very awesome Thanksgiving, because I know I did. Shout out to Joey for making that bomb turkey. I hope you guys enjoyed the new angle. If you enjoyed this video, please comment down below, leave a like, subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next one.